Jacob, did some presents come from Auntie Megan? Did you get some presents? Yeah? Say, it's my birthday soon. Wow. Yeah. You're crazy, man. Crazy. Oh, somebody's calling on the phone. You should call Auntie Megan and tell her thank you for the gifts. Say thank you for the gifts. Yep, there they are. Call her and say thank you.
Excellent punch of feet on the flick, yeah? But I'm telling you, great improvement.
No.